I'm using our company in Sieve for an example. So if I search in Sieve on Majestic, I'm going to get this site summary. So in the site summary, you can see topical trust flow, citation flow. From here, you can click on your link graph, build a link profile. And then if you keep scrolling down, you're going to find a bunch of different, just like summaries, kind of snapshots of these different pages that we're going to go over. So if you hop into the referring domains, it's showing you which domains are linking to your site or whichever site you're searching on Majestic. So here I can see these are the different domains that are linking to Sieve in some form. You can also get really granular with it and look at just outbound internal links. You can look at it by trust flow and citation flow, by TLD, by topic, by language. Similarly, these are the backlinks. So these are the exact pages that your client, or in this example in Sieve, is being linked on. So Moz linked to us on their community page. You can see here what the anchor text was, what the destination URL is, what the topical trust flow is, the trust flow, the citation flow. And you can also similarly here filter it down if you want to look at just one backlink per domain, all the backlinks per domain, 3 backlinks from domain. And then this is a feature that I really like to use is the new backlinks. So from here, you can look at the past 13 days and where you or the site that you're looking at has been linked to. So maybe you're doing some link building play and a site has said that they're going to add your link and you aren't able to see where they've added it. You can look at the new backlinks and see where you're getting linked to. Anchor text is cool too. I really like how Majestic does this. It's, I think, the only tool that does this, but it shows all of the different anchor text. As you can see, obviously within Sieve, it's going to be heavily branded, but there are some other anchor texts that, you know, are some of our top ones that are not branded, like link juice, SEO audit, link removal services. And then from here, it also shows the different topical trust flow. And then I use this tab a lot too, because this is showing all of the different pages that Majestic is able to crawl. So specifically, I like to go into the crawl result and look at the 404 pages, because then I'm seeing what 404 pages are being linked to. And maybe I can run a linking play, which I'll kind of go into a little bit later, about how I can get these sites that are linking to a 404 page of ours to switch it and link to one of our better pages that is in a 404. Majestic's cool too, because it'll also show which, how many links are being linked to on these 404 pages. So if this technical SEO service page of ours is a relevant page that we, you know, want to make sure we can get fixed, I know from here it's a 404. Or if we have a better page and I see that there's 7 pages that are linking to this page, I can go and ask those pages if they can get that updated to a working URL. You can also go into the topical trust flow. So, you know, Sieve is a business marketing company. Obviously, the topical trust flows are going to be within business, computers, marketing. So you can see that here. You can also see the external backlinks by topical trust flow. You can also look at related sites. So sites that are, you know, being linked to that are similar. From here, you can form like a link gap and see, okay, maybe this Moz.com or Page One Power is a site that, you know, has a lot of backlinks that maybe I can, you know, try and get links for as well, which I'll go into when we get into the competitor linking as well. There's also advanced tools here. So you can do keyword generators, campaign trackers, advanced reports, and then you can also go and build your link graph, which I know we've talked about frequently on the past couple of calls. But from here, you can see the links and then the links to the links up to the tier 4 links.